In 1912, the world believed it had built the impossible, a ship that could never sink.
They didn't just build a ship. They built confidence, pride, and overconfidence.
For the rich, Titanic was floating heaven. For the poor, it was hope, a one-way ticket to a new life.
Captain Edward Smith, experienced, respected. On his final voyage,
The ship wasn't slowing down, it was speeding up.
The first warning arrived and was ignored.
More warnings followed. Ice fields, danger. Still, no change.
Slowing down meant delay. And delay meant embarrassment.
The Atlantic grew calm. Too calm.
The lookout had no binoculars. A small decision. A deadly one.
Then, suddenly, ice. Orders were given. But physics doesn't negotiate.
It didn't crash. It sliced.
At first, no one panicked.
Below deck, men saw the truth first.
The ship had compartments, but not enough.
the ship would sink. It was certain.
Distress calls were sent. Help was far.
One nearby ship never answered. They followed the law. The law was outdated.
Boats left. Half full.
Class still mattered, even at the end.
The band chose to play.
The ocean claimed the ship inch by inch.
Help me! We have to get off this ship!
Family said goodbye, knowing the truth.
The water was colder than death.
The unsinkable ship broke in two. Then silence.